how to update Block Blast game on Android or iPhone. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to update the Block Blast game on your mobile device. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Play Store on your Android device or App Store on your iOS device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom, then tap on the search bar. Type Block Blast and search for it. If the update button is available for the Block Blast game, it means you can update the app to access the latest features and improvements, including bug fixes, ensuring a better gaming experience. However, if you see the play button instead, it means there is no update available or you are already using the latest version. To update your Block Blast game, simply tap on the update button. The Block Blast game will start updating on your device. Please note that the installation may take some time depending on the update size and your internet speed, so please be patient. Once the update is complete, the play button will appear indicating that the app is ready to be launched with the latest updates. Simply tap on it to play and boom! You have successfully learned how to update Block Blast game on your mobile device. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.